हाय सो आज है 25 जनवरी 2026। मैंने बहुत समय पहले कंटेंट क्रिएशन स्टार्ट किया था, बट सोशल ऑकवर्डनेस के चक्कर में मैंने वो छोड़ दिया, या मेरी हिम्मत नहीं भी कह सकते हैं। तो टुडे आई एम बैक, आई एम गोना नेक्स्ट रीच आउट टू एनीवन and ask them a pretty question that is, if you get a chance to bring back someone from history, who would it be and why? So chalo, let's go, let's see what happens. I got the Gomti Nagar guy here in Hazratganj. So,
hi guys, hi everyone.
So if you get a chance to bring someone back from the history, so who would it be and why?
I would bring back Dr. Ambedkar, and there's a very simple reason for it, because he was the definition of what people call a visionary, someone who knows what is coming ahead, है ना? Apart from drafting the constitution, and he did something very monumental for that portion of time, that is bring in a Hindu court bill, which gave widows a right of divorce. It gave them the freedom, and well, like pehle the way women would be married in this country would be very different, would be very patriarchal.
Yeah.
With that bill, it would change everything completely. And he was such a strong man of morals that when that bill wasn't passed in the Constituent Assembly, he withdrew from the government. He resigned from his position as the law minister of the country, and he went against Nehru and everyone else. And I think that is something that is really lacking in everyone today who is a leader, that they don't have the balls to stand by a decision that they've taken and just quit everything, है ना? He walked the talk, that's what I mean. So I think it would be probably Dr. Ambedkar. Yeah.
You have a great knowledge about history, so thank you. Have a good day. Saif. And so I was talking about this Gomti Nagar guy. He's a quite tall guy and he's such a humble guy and good. So let's move further कि हमें कौन मिलता है and how we are able to भाई जस्ट अ मोमेंट। मेरा एक छोटा सा यूट्यूब चैनल है, ठीक है, सैफुल्ला इदरीसी के नाम से, और सैफुल्ला इदरीसी। सो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग सम प्रीटी क्वेश्चंस जनरल लोगों से, जो कि बेसिक है कि इफ़ यू गेट अ चांस टू ब्रिंग बैक समवन फ्रॉम द हिस्ट्री, who would it be? That's my guy, Hitler, right? And why? समझने वाले को इशारा काफी, right? And what's your opinion, bro?
He's thinking about.
I'm thinking.
A person or a moment?
A person.
Can it be fictional?
Whomever you want.
Tony Stark in the MCU.
Bro. And what about you, sir? Okay, no problem. Just give it a random thought. Who's the one person you'll think to bring back? My ex. Bro. Ex. She must be really pretty if you're thinking about her right now.
There are too many, actually.
The Casanova guy. Okay. So
there are many people throughout the history.
He's got tears in his eyes.
Okay.
Many from Napoleon to anyone.
So क्या मेरा तुम लोगों से बस एक ही क्वेश्चन है कि इफ़ यू गाइस गॉट अ चांस टू ब्रिंग बैक समवन फ्रॉम हिस्ट्री, तो कौन होगा वो?
Adolf Hitler.
भाई आज की जनरेशन कसम से बहुत प्यारी है। सो व्हाट इज द रीजन व्हाई एडोल्फ हिटलर?
What's the reason?
खुला बोलो ब्रो, नो प्रॉब्लम। अगर कुछ गलत लगेगा आई विल कट इट आउट।
इतनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई है।
हाँ, पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है।
सो यू गाइस थिंक दैट हिटलर रहता तो पॉपुलेशन ना होती?
नाजीज प्रोपेगेंडा
बहुत सही था।
ग्रेट भाई, तो कॉन्डम बांट सकते हैं यार, पब्लिक कॉन्डम अफोर्ड कर सकती है 30 रुपए का।
W mentality.
विच मेंटालिटी ब्रो?
W
एंड व्हाट इज इट?
मेंटालिटी।
30 रुपए का कॉन्डम इज W।
कॉन्डम तो अफोर्ड ही कर सकते सब लोग, और जो लोग कर रहे हैं बनी।
You guys are really good, bro. Really good, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Nice. Got this handsome and genuine guy. ठीक है, ये भाई बैठा चाय पी रहा था and he offered me a seat. So I have a pretty question for him कि अगर you get a chance कि you get a chance to bring back someone from history, तो who will it be?
भगत सिंह।
अरे भाई बहुत बेहतरीन। And why?
भाई उसको कुछ करने का मौका नहीं मिला था अपने टाइम पे, उसको फांसी हो गई थी बहुत छोटी एज पे। अगर सोचो वो जीता महात्मा गांधी की एज तक का, तो क्या करता। आज इंडिया कुछ और होता शायद से
He
महात्मा
is a
गांधी की नजर से।
guaranteed revolutionary bro. ठीक है भाई, you have a great thoughts. कसम से sensible thoughts bro. Very honest, it was very easy. जितना मुश्किल मैंने सोचा हुआ था, जितना मुश्किल मैंने इसको अपने दिमाग में बना के रखा हुआ था, it was not. उसका 1% भी it was not difficult. People were eager to interact with new people. और so I'm back with this kind and handsome guy. So if you get a chance to bring back someone from history, who would it be?
To bring back someone from where?
History.
History, Hitler. Of course.
And why would you like to bring back Hitler?
Because I think he left work which needs to be done.
Okay. He has miles to travel before he slept.
Yes. Now we have to talk some real shit. Turn off the camera.